Hello, the subject is marketing management and the topic is consumer behavior. Behavior is one thing which everyone should know if they want their life to be successful. And it becomes important for the marketing department to know the behavior, especially the behavior of their consumers. Then, what is this behavior and what is this consumer behavior? Behavior is the interaction with ambient surrounding environment inherent in living creatures and mediated by their external and inner activeness. How an individual responds and interacts to all those things surrounding him is known as behavior because of his activeness. Coming to consumer behavior is actions of consumers in the marketplace and the underlying motives for those actions. Consumer behavior speaks of the way a consumer behaves in a market, why he behaves in such a manner, what are the reasons behind that particular behavior will be spoken more or will be studied more in consumer behavior by the marketing department. Let us see the definition of consumer behavior. The study of consumer behavior is a study of how individuals make decisions to spend their available resources like time, money, effort on consumption related items. According to Walters and Paul, consumer behavior is a process whereby individuals decide what, when, where, how, and from whom to purchase goods and services. So Walters and Paul overall they write in 3 lines what a consumer does when he is becoming a consumer. They have brought in the process of consumption itself, what he does as a consumer, all can be considered as consumer behavior, like his decision to buy, what to buy, when to buy, where to buy, how to buy, and from whom to purchase goods and services will all speak about the consumer's actions in the market with that particular situation and with those motives. These put together will define what is consumer behavior. Now, is there a need for the marketing department or the marketing management to study the consumer behavior? Yes, it is important for the department to study all these things. If not, the marketing department might fail in the process of making itself a successful one. The modern marketing management tries to solve the basic problems of consumers in the area of consumption. To survive in the market, a firm has to be constantly innovating and understand the latest consumer needs and tastes. It will be extremely useful in exploiting marketing opportunities and in meeting the challenges that the Indian market offers, or for the world market as the markets are getting wider. It is important for the marketers to understand the buyer behavior due to the following reasons. The following reason says what are the need or importance of study of consumer behavior. First, the study of consumer behavior for any product is of vital importance to marketers in shaping the fortunes of their organizations. If the organization wants to earn more, if the organization wants to benefit from its process of business, if the company wants to earn more profit, in such case, it has to understand and study what consumer behavior is all about and what are the ways in which their consumers are behaving. Only then the company would benefit from that source. It is significant for regulating consumption of goods and thereby maintaining economic stability. Consumer behavior will show many things: which type of product is demanded, by whom, and when they are demanded, and are these people ready to buy, and what time they are ready to buy. So when the company knows all these things, the company or organization can easily regulate when to supply such amount of goods that are required by the consumers as per their consumer behavior. It is useful in developing ways for the more efficient utilization of resources of marketing, especially if you have scarcity of resources within the company. The marketing study and its consumer behavior study will see how better you can utilize the available resources in the department of marketing. It also helps in increasing the efficiency and effectiveness of the usage of or utilization of available resources of marketing. It helps in solving marketing management problems in a more effective manner. Management has different set of problems and marketing has a different set of problems. When consumer behavior is well known, the department can easily manage all those problems, that is termed as marketing management problems, in an easier and effective manner. Today, consumers give more importance to environmentally friendly products. They are concerned about health, hygiene, and fitness. They prefer natural products. Hence, detailed study on upcoming groups of consumers is essential for a firm to design a product in such a way that these consumers will accept those products which are developed by that particular concern or organization. Only if the organization knows that people are environmental friendly and they want products of such type, then the company has to redesign its entire production process to match the consumer behavior. The growth of the consumer protection movement has created an urgent need to understand how consumers make their consumption and buying decisions. Nowadays, people are aware of what they are buying and what they should be getting for what they are paying for. And it is all because of this consumer awareness and consumer protection acts and laws being favorable in part with consumers. They know and they want the best out of everything in the market. And this should be considered in consumer behavior. What is going to be the post-purchase behavior of each consumer in the market? The company, if it doesn't want to enter into any kind of troubles with the consumer, then it has to have a smooth running product and service flow in the market. Consumer tastes and preferences are ever changing, and this will be known only if there is consumer study being done. Consumer behavior is being studied that will give information related to what the consumer is really aspiring to have. The color, the taste, the design, the size, the quantity, the quality that they desire will be known. What the consumer is actually wanting. In short, consumer behavior helps in formulating a production policy, what has to be produced in a proper way. In a crisp and descriptive way, this consumer behavior will tell everything about the consumer tastes and preferences, hence it has to be studied without any chance being taken. For effective market segmentation and target marketing, consumer behavior study is important, essential to have an understanding of consumers and their behavior. If you really want to segment your market, and if you really want to target the marketing and shoot the customer and get the profit out of him, you should, as a company and as a marketing department, study the consumer behavior thoroughly. Next up, we'll see what are the types of consumer behavior, how do they behave. We'll see one by one and what it really means. The first type of consumer behavior is complex buying behavior. These types of behavior are shown by consumers. Consumers go through complex buying behavior when they are highly involved in a purchase and are aware of significant differences among brands. They are little knowledgeable and they can compare and they know the difference among the brands, which is best and which is better and which is worst. Consumers are highly involved when the product is expensive, bought infrequently, risky and self-expensive. Most of the times the luxury goods are taken into this category. Consumers go through a rational or logical thinking process to collect as much as information as possible about the available brands. Behavior exhibited while purchasing a car can be given as an example of complex buying behavior. When he is buying a car, he will think of other brands, he will compare this brand with the other brand. What is he going to get out of it? He'll think logically and he will come to a decision, and thence the purchasing will be made, and there during that particular process he will have so much of thought process within him because of all the knowledge that he has been gaining inside him, all because of his experience and education. Hence, complex buying behavior is displayed by such kind of consumption process. Next we have dissonance reduction buying behavior. Sometimes consumers are highly involved in purchase but see little difference in the brands. After the purchase, they feel that the product does not perform to their expectations. They may think about alternative brands which have been forgotten in the brand selection process. As a result, they feel some discomfort. This mental condition is known as cognitive dissonance, wherein they feel dejected or somewhat dissatisfied about the product. This is termed as dissonance reduction buying behavior. The next type of consumer behavior, we have variety seeking buyer behavior or variety seeking buying behavior. Here, consumers have a lot more brand options to choose. Imagine, at the same time, there are significant brand differences. Unit price of product is low. Consumers' involvement is also low, but consumers show brand switching behavior in this kind of behavior. They go on changing from one brand to another always or more oftenly. They like experiments for the sake of variety satisfaction. They exhibit variety seeking behavior in case of products like soap, detergents, toothpaste, etc. They keep on changing the brands and they want always variety. How different is this product from the other product or the product they were using before is what they keep looking in this particular section of or the type of behavior. This particular behavior is seen as a kind of significant sign which can be taken as opportunity for the company to keep on innovating themselves and innovating their products and processes to match the behavior. If not, the company and the department will lose its investment whichever has been made in that particular department. The next type of consumer behavior is habitual buying behavior. Habitual buying behavior, in this situation, consumers buy their products on a regular basis. They keep buying because it has become a habit for them to buy. Brand switching behavior is quite common here. People switch on from one brand to another. Variations among brands are significant, and it is very important for them to have variations in the products that they buy and in the brands they prefer. They prefer brands which have more variations. Here, people are buying products which are usually low priced because they have habitual buying behavior. These people do not tend to spend a lot of money on expensive goods all at once, but they keep buying, and it is of this behavior they buy products of those quantities and qualities which are usually have low priced. Gathering product knowledge is not so important here. The consumers are not at all bothered about how much knowledge they have in comparison with that complex buying behavior which we studied earlier and which is showcased only in luxury goods. Habitual buying behavior does not bother about gathering knowledge of anything either about the product or about the company. Consumers show habitual buying behavior in case of products like salt, matchsticks, etc., which are bought day by day. In day-to-day routine life, it is a product of importance for their survival or life itself. Hence, we have this kind of habitual buying behavior being displayed, which has to be studied by the marketing department and which will help them to reorganize their design for the purpose of matching the behavior of their consumer in different ways. Thus, we have four types of consumer behavior: complex buying behavior, dissonance reduction buying behavior, variety seeking buying behavior, and habitual buying behavior, which are very important for any type of company who is involved in any type of business for that particular purpose. If they fail to understand why a consumer behaves in a particular pattern in a given situation, why does consumers behave this way and that way, if the marketing department can crack on these behaviors in the early stages of its marketing process, the company can for sure shoot to the highest benefit of profitability, and the company can extend its marketability, and the market can grow into such size if the company is going to utilize all the understandings that these consumer behaviors portrays or delivers to the marketing department. Hence, consumer behavior is an important concept which should be, without giving any chance, has to be studied for the purpose of the success of the entire marketing department as well as the company as a whole. This consumer behavior is of recent origin and it is studied only from very past few years, or we can say few decades. Before that, consumer behavior concept was not there. Why consumer behavior concept was not prevailing in the past was because of the absence of marketing itself. But the modern marketing theories have given light and path towards this consumer behavior, which is a key for the organizations to design and redesign their marketing process and reorganize themselves to stand strong to the changing scenarios and changing attitudes of consumers and their behavior. If these companies can take on the earlier signs of these consumers and their behaviors, the business can modify its business model and produce to match the consumer needs and thus reap in benefit from this business of marketing. Hence, we've studied all about consumer behavior. Thanks for listening.